I'm in the airport on my way home from COP27. That's right. In a little while, I'll be getting on an airplane to fly across the ocean. Every time we have these climate conferences, I see the same types of comments on social media. And I get it. Flying is the biggest part of my personal carbon footprint. So why do I go to some of these big climate conferences? And why do climate activists and scientists and government representatives and all kinds of other people fly from around the world to meet? It's because you can't do some of this stuff on Zoom. The conversations that happen, people pulling each other aside, sitting down, looking each other in the face, saying, this is what's going to happen to our small island state if we don't phase out coal. This is what's going to happen to our economy if we can't pay back our national debt when climate disaster hits. This is why we need loss and damage agreements. These conversations that happen face to face is how we start to change the world. And believe it or not, it is starting to change. 8 years ago, we were headed to a world that was 4 to 5 degrees Celsius warmer by the end of the century. Today, thanks to these negotiations, we're headed to a world that's about 2.5 degrees warmer. That's better, but it's still not enough. So that's why we have these climate conferences. And you know what? The emissions associated with them represent about 0.0002% of annual global emissions. So if something happens at these conferences that reduces emissions more than that, it's a win. And believe me, it is. But also believe me, we need more.